Big respect to everybody that watch your movie, Richard Bun Films. And please remember, like, share and subscribe. And also, thanks to everybody that bring that movie to 2 million and counting. Bad Pity Pregnant at 16. Alright? Big up on yourself. And if you all want to find me, my social is call me J on TikTok. So it's CALLMEHJAY. Alright? Big thanks to you guys.
Yo, I'm not afraid of no.
I ain't being afraid of no. Yo, come on, sir. Yo, you met no?
What you say?
Yo, where man money dey?
Yo, I'm not done talk to you about the money. What kind of style thing?
Me a talk to you, where man money dey?
But I done talk to this man already.
Talk.
You met no man?
No more chatting. I money want you.
But tell the man so tomorrow so I understand this.
Yo, me a talk to you bad man.
Payday. Every money touch me on. It already have a plan. You know. Yeah. Payday. I saw my borrow, I saw my lend. Mama, I stress even my friends. My girlfriend knocks me when my kindness I end. Everybody take my kindness to weakness. Pity I saw borrow, I saw my lend. Mama, I stress even my friends. My girlfriend knocks me when my kindness I end. Everybody take my kindness for weakness. Pity reach, but me can't smile. Bills line up, straight to the sky. Phone a ring, me all I get text. Everyone problem, have problem. Ya know who next. Pity I saw borrow, I saw my lend. Mama, I stress even my friends. My girlfriend knocks me when my kindness I end. Everybody take my kindness for weakness. Me heart heavy but my pocket empty. Every yes is another excuse. I try for help, I'ma still lose. My friend said, Bridget, link me no girlfriend vex. She say you're too soft, everybody take you for fool. A girlfriend vex. She say you're too soft, everybody take you for fool.
Thank you very much.
So, me do you want to talk to you about something?
You want to talk about it now?
You know, we used to go out and have fun every mountain and so. It's been a while since we go out. So I say maybe this time when I get paid, we could have like go on a little date or something.
Date? Yeah. No, so you can go on a date still, but I don't think right now. Right now. Can kind of have something to deal with, some holy person. You know where I go already. But something you tell about me have some paperwork, something for deal with and passport and driver's license and everything. Because I have a driver's license now. You have to deal with all them sitting before you can go on date. You know, you used to go on date and say, remember them time, man, a good time. You know? It's true, man.
Me love. I understand all of that what you say. But all of that not for the one time. And you never tell me say you're gonna do all of that this month.
Yeah, but things just come up. You see, but don't worry yourself, man. You go for all kind of date. You don't know, say, your birthday come up and all them things there. You see, my birthday same way. All for date we gonna go on, man. Don't worry yourself. But as me say, you don't have to worry about nothing at all, man. Just wait till everything finalize.
Why me think you're up weird?
Weird. Weird at that. What do you mean weird?
Because normally when me tell you say, alright babe, I could go yourself, I could do this. You're glad now, yeah, it's all like excuses, but yes, not this month then. It's fine.
Yes. It's me looking at your eyes then. And I tell you the truth.
I never say I lie to you, you know.
No, you make it sound like say I lie, me I tell. Would I lie to you? You know, I'm not gonna lie to you already. You understand? But know yourself, just everything soon finalized, man. You see me? I remember a piece of food that come in. A piece of check that come in. You see me? Cause boss saying I get a bonus, cause I work good and thing. Commission and all them sitting there. You see me? Everything depending on my pro, man. Everything. Just don't worry yourself, me. You see me? Thank you for your tea and everything. You see it? But me have to go to work and what you doing because I don't want to late. Alright, B, so here I go. Let's take back this, because I don't want to late for go to work and thing. You see me? At what time, you know, because I lost my watch to you know. Oh, no time. I don't stop work till the money at all, you understand? Never get no subject. Mommy say me are the smartest, you know that? Alright, B. Don't worry yourself, man. There's no say we got us. Understand?
Okay, have a good day.
Let's remember the keyword. Us. Me are my queen. Later. Mommy, oi! Mommy!
You want to see my come in, man? You want to see my you better there, man. Want to talk to you. Yeah, man. Your phone not ring up. And me call me, I call man.
What kind of unusual and strange though?
Yeah, man.
So how I go on?
Alright, you know, so it's a little reason I want to hold with you. Yeah, man. So you are going now. You know, it's a long time me and mother there, right?
Know that one.
Yeah, man. I mean, I never have no problem with that. We good still. You see me? So, Maria Pre still, I mash up some work for some bridging up a line, but the money I take a little time to come in. Somebody I want to say, you know, you have a decent little work on the nigga side, so if you could have lend me a thing, you see me?
Lend you a thing?
Yeah, man, we are talking, man. We're not ready, man.
Boy. You know, say, me ain't really stealing where they stealing, you know. You see me? Because mother really come here and look for you, know. You understand? No disrespect. You see me?
Yeah, but me never have no problem still, so I don't know if you just lend me a thing.
No, we don't really have no problem still, but don't know the things that me have some other business to deal with at least. But if you get no pay or nothing at all. You see me?
Alright.
See me I work on, but
Alright, no say a word, man. If I that you say that you say. If you can't lend me, you can't lend. Everything good. See me?
man no feelings in night, you know.
Nah, man, I don't feel no way, man.
Hope you can sit with that.
Nah, man, we good, man, we
You
good.
understand? So when I come back. So use your phone and call me. I don't understand.
But better I call and true, me know say your number in our phone. I never have your number.
Kind of strange still work. Alright, now see her then.
Hey Siri. Hey Siri. I want to buy some candles, but I don't want to go to the original location you always send me. Find me a location in the western region. You know? Yeah.
Yeah, man. What going to John the Baptist?
Me tell you what I'm gonna do, you know. Stop this. Every time you fall in places that walking like your feet, sir, it's spirits and allow your body feels walking freely. Eh? You see how ring stand up? Eh? Eh?
Yeah,
Where
man.
you come out now? Talk to me.
Alright, yes, my boss. I know say you always deal with some little 1-2 thing when I want certain little things sort out, but this time I still, me just show you from before you do nothing still say. Me go hold you still, you see me? Until some money fall.
Pause. Why you feel like you can owe me? You think I'm me at home? And I'm me alone at work, you know? I'm me and the spirits in my work.
Me
So you have
honest,
to organize yourself in a different pattern. So you know, say, boy, if you go pay me my money and where spirits them, you have to talk it clear.
alright, yeah man, that me go do.
Talk it clear.
Yeah man, me go pay for your money. I mean who pay spirits money, I mean who owe you I think. You know so we good like that, man. See?
So alright, so when you want anything to start out?
As soon as you can deal with it, man, me just show you what go on and you just tell me how fast I can deal with it.
Talk, I'm not time precious, man. Talk to me.
Alright, so here what go on and know my boss. You know what I know say my son-in-law. Me I'm always good, but me don't know what go on recently. Me link him for a thing and it's like man I go on like say he don't want give me nothing and me and done I stepfather and me and his mother there. You see me I go on like him a play hard when it comes to money.
Your son bad mind and corrupt, you know what?
No, I'm not bad mind,
How you go
man.
then?
I'm not bad mind. Me show you what go on, man. He might work good money, you know. I mean I work.
So you now work and him have good money.
Yeah.
So where class come from?
She ring the job.
I cut it.
It ring, it clash come from
Don't worry about
the
it.
case is that me I take care of my mother.
Mm-hmm.
So, and I not if you take care of stepfather. Nothing wrong with that.
You got to pay double. You have to go double. You see it? Based on circumstances like that, corrupt bad mind business, you know, work well with the spirits them.
Alright, so here we go want you do. Cause I don't really tell you yet what I go do. You know. So here we want you do. I want you walk up upon him. So he lend me or give me some money plus he not tap lend out him money.
Oh, you want him to turn workless?
Well, not really still, but if I that, you know, I just want.
You can't company now.
As I say, I never really have nothing for me right now. I just tomorrow I start out him.
Alright. Where you see him again? Where you name again?
Billy.
Billy.
Yeah, man.
Billy was a goat. You know the story about Billy the goat?
No, my boss. No.
Alright. The reason why me make you understand that scenario is because normally if you want to be Billy, you want to be the goat, or you want to connect them together, if you don't correspond with what you're supposed to do, the goat neck always get cut.
No, you still, man. That not gonna happen, man. I make sure I pay money.
But like you're confident when you're talking.
Yeah, man.
And you're sure about certain things.
One thing work, man.
Billy.
Mm-hmm.
Understand what you're doing. Because a business is for me. You understand me? So you say you come back. Tomorrow what time?
Yeah, man. Early tomorrow as day.
No, come back in the evening.
In the evening.
Sky as cool as this. Sky spirits them kind of.
Alright, in the evening, link you.
See?
Alright.
So Billy, in a shake now, you know. The deal start, you know. Film part start working, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Ready?
Yeah, man.
You ready? You ready?
Yeah, man. I'm ready, man.
You ready? Alright.
Alright, my boss. Alright, yeah, man. Tomorrow.
Shanko lonko. Shanko lonko. Congratulations, man. Congratulations, son.
Yes, man. Thank you very much.
Yeah, man. Good man.
Appreciate it.
Alright, I mean, promotion is a must, you know.
Definitely, man.
What you say?
Definitely.
Long time, man, I suffer.
Try and make it
Man,
out.
how about you? Eh? Anyway,
Yeah,
you know,
man.
say, I push a whole heap of button, you know.
Yes, sir.
For you, forget that the promotion there, you know.
Yes, man.
So, you know, some more funds.
Definitely,
You understand?
Definitely.
How are you, man? I'm happy for you, man. You deserve it.
Appreciate it, man.
You deserve it.
Yeah,
You
man.
deserve it.
And it made a free company, you know?
Anyway, it's the reason why I call in the office still and I want to talk to you, you know?
Yes, sir.
And so forth. Well, actually, you know, say, me and your boss, what I'm going the company.
Oh, okay.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
Well, I mean, I know. It kind of sound away. See, because you're somebody where me observe and trust and, you know?
Yes.
You know, me can't really come to you with any little thing. You understand me? Not because you see me dress and be in front here, so, and you there, so, but man to man, you know? Sometimes we have little difficulties and stuff, so.
Yes, man. We are going through the same phase, you know?
Yeah, but actually,
Different ways.
I know, but when I hear when I go say still, you might a surprise still, but all right. Here they come up. Me know some problem. Some serious problem.
Problems. Why?
Yes.
All of it.
Yeah, me know, but we can't go to nobody else. As me say, it might sound a way, but the lady have something to deal with, and if me not deal with a problem for me. So
Yes, sir, but I don't understand why are you telling me this still. You know,
no, you know, actually, me know the pay things there and stuff what I say, but it's just a little small one now for me. I don't know if I can do that for me.
Understand. Don't understand.
Miller man. Sure, you get a promotion.
Remember that, you know, your income is very much higher
Don't-
than my income, you know, sir.
Don't watch that. You have kids?
No, I don't really have any kids, but
I have 6.
that doesn't say I still have
Oh,
responsibilities.
Miller man. Just soften up the argument, man. Just come with it, man. Just bear with me, man, and understand, man. You know,
Yes, I really understand, sir.
yeah, man,
I
I'm a
understand.
human too, you know, because you say me work here, and I have bills tax, so, you know. So I said to you, say, just, if this week, you know, next fortnight, you know, say you're good, I'm going to really, just do it for me. I don't want to say nothing to nobody, kind of look embarrassing. The situation, I mean, I don't have nobody else to come. You understand? That's why I come to you. You must can do that for me.
But sorry. Yeah, you know, I really can, because you know, I really help people, but I just feel like that just because you are the one that get the promotion, you're really
I know because me help out with that. Me like man, so just do this, man. Please. I don't want to
Man,
get
no problem.
deep down in
No
it, but
problem,
I
sir.
really need a loan from him.
No
And I
problem.
beg guys, I say, don't say nothing to none of the staff. Them, you know.
Oh, okay.
It's embarrassing. All right?
I
But
won't
me in
I
a
won't
tight
say
spot.
anything. I won't say anything at all.
Thank you, sir. I know I could account for you, man.
Just one thing I just don't want, just make it seem like it's a blackmail or because
No, man, no. Look here. There's the reason why I call in here. As I say, I trust you. I can't trust none of the other staff there. You think I could have got asked anybody else a favor like that?
Payday come, so when we reach that bridge we can cross it. Because I don't really want to promise you anything. You understand? But when we get paid, we can make it get something.
Miller, man. Hold on. Remember saying, no, are we pay, you know?
Yes, I know that.
And we control the finance, you know. So we can just take what we want and just give you. You understand what I mean? We not really go through the ring around and so forth. No, by now we control that, you know. So don't worry yourself, but you're going to get back your money, man. Alright? And we control the finance. So we can just, take out and just give away if you get and borrow. Zin?
Yeah, that's a good idea as well.
Alright. Don't worry yourself. But we know we could have called for you. We know we could have called for you. Now shake on it, boss. Zin?
Alright, so.
Yeah, good work, kind of. Yeah, good work.
True, man.
True,
man.
Yeah, man. Just continue to do good work, man.
Yes, sir.
Alright?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, man. Don't worry yourself. Alright?
Alright.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself, man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. I tell you, man. We made a good decision.
What's your?
What? Yeah, man. Yeah, go away. I'm going to see how from
Man. So because you know the morning sickness or something, so I just take me there for one couple days sick leave.
Yeah.
You know, if pregnancy thing already.
See what I go on with you, man.
Yeah.
See good otherwise.
Why I have to tell you honest truth? No, because baby father have to send one money from New York and I be a delay business, the bank depend. You understand? So
Okay.
I don't get paid. So I don't know if you could have lend me something till when time you send the money me pay you back.
Why? No, some that ain't still know, but say a Friday me I get paid.
Alright, that's no problem, man. I can't wait till Friday.
No, because you're my good friend, man. You know me already.
Alright.
Make you get him.
Alright then. Thanks.
Just take care of yourself, see me, you understand?
Yeah, man.
I hope you see you back at work.
Yeah, man, you go see me back, man. Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, you go see me. You have to see me back. Me have to work,
Alright, you have my number, just send me your
Alright.
account details.
Alright, thanks, yeah?
Alright. Evening, mommy.
Evening.
What going on now?
Why nothing good now going on?
Cause you called me by phone now. I wonder what's so serious right now.
You know what I'm saying? Medication them done.
Okay.
And nothing now going in our store. Nothing at all. Me not sell nothing at all. Whole day yesterday, this morning me go down there and all me sit down the whole day, not even one water me couldn't buy.
Wow.
Nothing now going. I don't know what happened.
No, then weird, man. Cause you know, say no pay week this, every 2 weeks me get paid. I really want to do something for you, but the medication is a serious thing. When if me can get some money for borrow, me can't get the money for borrow or nothing at all. So
Nobody borrow no money, cause if I not get no pay, I don't have no money for pay back the people them. But maybe fudge out myself, man. Maybe find out some way I can fudge out myself.
boy, I really not like to see you look some money.
You understand?
I know say health concern is a serious thing, and for medication done, you have to get it refill.
Yes.
So you sure you can hold off till the weekend?
You know, some do one little partner. I'm going to get draw from day before yesterday.
Okay, day before yesterday.
Yes.
So
And the lady I said the people them, she don't want to give me part-time money and go home me part. The people them picking the rest of money come. So as soon as she get it from them,
Okay, I'm good.
she will give me, but she not even know me I go through because the whole of my back hurt me. My head they come like me have migraine. Boy, my son, I know if you did have you would have give it to me. Because you always get paid and give money to
Yes,
me. But
man, you know, anything me have is yours.
I know, man.
What's the first lady?
Don't worry yourself. God will provide.
Definitely.
Anyway, let me tell you if me get you.
Alright.
Yes.
I want to get through, but right now I'm tired. Me have to if I get some rest. A good thing I left from work early.
So you eat from morning?
Not really, no, but me get something to consume still, so. You know, say later.
Alright then.
We
Take
call
care
if
of yourself.
anything.
Yes.
Alright.
Yes. What good?
Alright, man.
Make sure you call me as you reach home.
Yes, man.
Alright.
Seriously, I get the money from the boy.
You know, so I not like then something here. I not like do it, you know. Every time you tell me, say, if you tell me son, say, me feel sick, to you know, say, if you have money, you will give me. I not like then something then, Richie. You can't do then something then, man. Me feel uncomfortable. I look for my son. When me bring for 9 months. And they tell him lie. If me, they tell me one and son lie. Who am I going to believe of little more from this all the woman them we have in a life? He don't said he not trust them. Because me I'm mother.
So man, you gotta tell him. You gotta tell him the truth.
Me not know, you know, one of the day me maybe I forgot tell him say a lie, me did tell him, but me I go feel bad and me not know how it a go start, but me
So
not
hold
know,
on.
me not
So-
like this.
So what you want me to do? You want me to go down to my yard car right now? Me not have no money, you know. So hold on. So what you want me to do? Thief, you want me to thief?
No, me not want. Alright. When me get the partner, me will give you a thing out of it. Me not say you figure thief.
Alright, get the partner, man. If your partner thing not work out, get it from him, man. But question, how when he say I get paid?
Ah, Jesus. Next week he say all that you want to know too. No,
No,
your
that's...
stepson, you could have called him and asked him to, you know.
You know, say me, I'm not that close, you know, so yeah, what you want me call him for? Here, do what you have to do, man. Me gotta go up on the road, see?
Alright.
Alright, just cook till me forward.
Like how you go up on the road now, just give me your part of the money. So I can just go out and get the rest of things that we need.
Why, B, you know, say. Not even know if I bring this to you, because I know why you're upset. You understand? But, you know, my mother, it is that she go choose some little health issues from body and she go get some medication and she never had the money to pay for it. So me have to just give her money. You see me? For getting the medication, man, think, I don't want her health condition getting worse. You see me? And, yeah, man, little co-worker away falling on some problem. You know, 95 thing go already. Sometimes you exceed your income. You see me? And you want to look help me, have to just give me helping and see me. Because you know me have a good heart. You understand? And you know next one I money, but that me get you next time, you see me?
Miller, say I try to tell me say you get paid yesterday
Yeah.
and you don't have no money at all.
Well, as me I say, blend one bridge no money. I will collect it later. So me get it later, man. No, you get
You see,
upset or
part,
not.
me not get upset, me confused because you have bills to pay, yes?
Yeah, but you know, bills are go pay, man. Every time I tell you say, me assure you, they get the money later from my bridge, you understand?
The people in where me not talk about your mother, the people in where you lend money, you and them work at the same place?
Yeah, me and him work at the same places.
And you now work you save money.
It's
So
my
why
time,
every
can't
time when
take
you
question.
get paid?
Come on, I feel like a lie me I tell us. My time I get nervous when you question about something. You understand? Yeah, I'm a co-workers them.
Miller excuses now to pay the bills, or rent, no grocery in
No
the year.
excuses, B.
The light bill or the water bill for pay. And
Yeah,
you tell me say you lend out all of your pay. Every time, sir?
Why B? When if I sit there and sit me so why now? Let me forget to wash off or something. I can like somebody can't say no.
Miller, stop it. Stop this. What, maybe they say stuff for you. Maybe I obey them, obey you. Because me not understand how you can't say no. You not have no boundaries.
Try all the while if you say no. Word just can't come out like somebody get stammer.
Me like nobody no obeah you. You just need to learn how to say no. You is a grown man, you know. Which part everybody there when you get up early in morning time and I go work and I come in late. Tired as hell. You and them I work the same place. I mean I understand how come every single time when I get paid, them borrow money from you. Like you not have a life. You not have a woman to feed. You not have your family them. And also your mother. I mean I have no problem with you all in her money, you know, honestly, but Mila, your mother call it every single week. Every week, something else happen, one thing after the next. Do you feel like something not add up? Me not understand your mother. Me don't understand her. Your mother live with a man and she have her business. Where going good? So why she need money from you every week? Why?
You must have a mother, you know. So if she says something, you have to just go with that. I don't care what she want to do with her money or whatsoever. No disrespect, you know. Look how you're pretty and nice and thing. You have to reach, you know. You have to get take care of. I mean, I really want to do nothing to jeopardize the relationship, you understand? So I'm going to do everything to make sure, say, things balance, you understand? So I'm going to link bridging fee money same way and make I get it. You see me? Or I'm going to rob a bank. What do you think?
Well, stop,
Maybe too, you know.
stop the foolishness. Listen, let's get the money for your friend. And make me get the money so I can start out the bills then.
Alright, say, robbing thing now, or
No.
can I do it for you, you know?
No, it not go work.
Alright. I gotta just make a link and fall back. You see me? Was
Me like, nobody go anywhere go promise nobody no money.
I promise about no money. Be. Look for me. Just me a laugh. I'm taking things serious right now.
Whatever. Go on before the rain come down.
Alright, let's move forward back. I go on, bro.
How about?
Yeah, man. I go on see money when I know what I do.
Boy, hate for disappoint you know. Me just go through a phase. I make you get it. Student loan. But I mean, no.
What are that, man?
Me just show you what I go on, brother. Just a lot. Just a lot. If you look, I can show you. But I make you get it for next period.
Yeah, man. So, bro, you know, say from last week, you tell me say last week. Last week can't reach out now. There's always the next week, you know.
Just don't want to disappoint. I can't bother give a store them. That's why I'm not saying no. I just see that hope so I get it by this week, brother. No, you're disappointed.
Bro, the reason I come to you, because remember saying money, to work the same place, you know. And we get the same pay, because the same department we know, you know. You know, say, if you never want the money, I wouldn't forward to you.
No, all of that, man.
Right now, bro, scam.
Really,
more life in a jeopardy right now, you know, much bills more.
I make you get it.
You know where you go to, I understand where you go to, because all of you go to the same thing, you know, in a
I
different
think
ways,
you really
you know.
understand. You know.
Because you're a human being, you know. But you have to understand so well. You have to put and only your priority alone. This is what about my priority. Must have a life thing, bro. Must have far away from you.
Honestly, no want it to reach you, sir, brother. Brother, I try till I'm weak. As I said, that's
try harder. You need to try harder, bro.
So,
alright, here we go on. Because this is like you stutter and thing. And, you see me? You understand the emotion still, you know?
But me
a long time, me disappoint me. Now, while you're going to be excuse on them things. I'm not say excuse, you know. You have your reason on them things. I'm not say lie you're telling you. You don't need to do something by now, bro. So I get you next week. I know this going to jeopardize your friendship, you know. You can't do them things, bro. You understand? Make money come between your friendship. Because them things break a lot of friendship and family and relationship. You see me I say?
I make you get it, that's what I'm saying.
No, you're going to make me get it, man. You see me? Must be right, you know.
Oh, man.
you? Me asked you from the other day you wouldn't talk. You're going to talk today.
I feel like me in a circle with Chris. No, as you know, he's a good boyfriend.
Yeah, I know.
But there are certain things where kind of subtract from it. Because every time when you get paid, by the day done, him broke. People constantly borrow money from him, and always the people want to check up on him, want to reach out to him, and if he need a thing, he can call him and ask them for anything because them not gonna have it. Now them constantly borrow money from him. And when the time he get it back, nothing, be excuses. Now Chris get paid 2 days ago. And him friend call him, and he must say, hey dog, you know I'm going want a thing, and tell me why Chris, and me talk to him about this and tell me why he jump up. Yeah dog, yeah man, make you get it man. We normally do everything 50-50. Me not make you do everything. Give me your part because me gonna go supermarket. Chris start scratching head. Chris, what the issue? You know what I say? My last money when my album take it, give mommy. That makes sense?
So them so lackadaisical. So basically from what day you've been paying the bill?
All the time.
On a day with everything?
All the time. Because
For how long now?
For the longest, because every single time when you get paid, in phone is stop ring. It's like I work at call center.
So
and them like give him a break.
Them in my mind. So what about you? What about on the bills? You not remember say we have goals. Okay, Lullaby. If you don't mind other people, don't get me wrong. I don't mind him helping out his mom. But she have him as a convenience to say, okay, she can always get a little something from her son just because he love her that much and he cares for her.
Honestly, most of that are true. Majority of it just say true. But I not exactly like that because me thinking just naive towards the situation.
But when him go take fee money and mind him friends and not deal with the bills and have you a spend, how that go? You're not even making as much as Chris and you can barely make ends meet on your own. Remember you were here on your own, you know? So find a different way to connect to him because verbally it's not working. And I'm not saying to hurt him physically either, but just find a way.
Good day, Mr. Miller.
Yes, good day, Mr. Brown.
How are you doing?
Not really well still, but I know what you call me for today. Understand?
It's nothing that serious, but it is very important.
Yes, sir.
You took out a loan over a year now, and you have not been keeping up with the payments. So the bank is very concerned about this. So that is why I called you in today. So could you explain to me why you're not keeping up with your payments?
Well, you know, I'm just talking to you, to let you understand from a human standpoint because I'm really going through a lot of challenges.
I understand.
Because I'm still grieving about my father that passed away, which I actually take the loan, for the funeral. And I actually lent out some money to, a few of my colleagues, and I'm hoping to get it back very soon so I can pay the loan.
So, from what I'm understanding, you're telling me that you loan out some money and that is why you're not keeping up with your payments?
Yes, definitely.
All right, Mr. Miller, I want to talk to you, man to man. I cannot tell you what to do with your money, but it is very important to pay your loan.
Yes, I know that.
You understand that you owe over 600,000, right?
600.
You took out $1 million and you've only paid 400,000. Plus you have interest to pay on it too. So here's what I'm going to tell you to do. I'm going to give you some time.
Okay.
You see the next monthly cycle that you're supposed to pay your loan.
Yes.
Make sure you pay it at least 150,000. At least
150,000, right?
Yes. At least. So
I can put in a good word for you to the bank.
Yes, sir.
They won't have to take the assets or we have to get the police involved. You understand?
Yes, I understand, and I appreciate what you're doing. You know, just to give me some grace period. And I assure you, I will get it by the hook or by the crook.
Alright, just make sure say you don't rob anywhere or do anything illegal to get the money.
Yeah.
But as I said, make sure you pay your money because I don't want us to come in your yard and seize your assets and embarrass you in front of your neighbors or your wife or whoever. You understand? Alright, so have a good day, sir.
Yes, sir.
It
Thank you
was
very
nice
much.
talking with you today.
All right.
Yes.
Yeah, man, bro. Hey, bro.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So everything live, you know.
No, sir.
All right.
Well, they don't tell us, so I make you get the money, you know, so
Yeah, man.
I'm keeping my pool on the so.
Just for a search, man. Just dig up everybody.
Yeah, broski.
Come on, bro. A style thing.
What can you tell us, saying? Oh, you come like your pressure, my bro. Come, me don't show me say, yo, bro. Me tell us, me could give all that money one time, you know.
If I idiot, I really take man for broski. You know, you say like jackpot over so.
Oh, so the whole I want to sit down and come talk about how me get this and me get this. The whole I want to bad mind and everything.
Broski, money more want. Right not even want that right now. It means a bad mind. We are talk about, bro. After man, put out the all to help you.
They say as long as you live, what do you know now?
Some money more want.
I mean, why you dash the money for me, so that means say no.
Money more want, you know. And no more chat to you, you know.
Don't talk to you. Don't talk to you. I go see where you do. I go see where you do.
Friendship there.
If you think of one stone me have on this bike, you fire for your first one.
Kayate,
That's
man.
all I want you do.
Kayate, man. Just make sure you get money. You hear that?
You say when plant one, then it shoot. It's alright.
Me say, what happened? Me have a bad day at work. You see, young girl I'm complain about from week, she still not show up today. I'm almost have to do overtime. Like, look plenty time, I'm just come in here. Then better pay me for me. I feel like you're not listening to me.
I listen, man. I listen.
You good?
Yeah, I just want to talk to you about something, you know?
Talk to me about what?
Well, you know, say, me no want to go depths too. You remember the money me loan from the bank to bury my father. You know, say, the money never really pay off because we were about 2 or 3 months, do you remember? But right now, the police are calling me, the bank are calling me. You understand? And I say, yo, if you can't pay up certain money, then you know, take your assets then we have on them thing there. You see me?
Chris.
What?
How much money you owe?
You know, it's a $1 million money borrow already, but about 600,000
Miller,
left to pay.
how you owe so much money? I think so this loan thing done with long time.
Yeah, it did for done with still, but just because me tell you something, lend out some people some money and them thing, I mean, I get in them back in time. You understand?
Oh, so you put your business aside for people, to make sure say everybody alright while you're there suffer. Miller, where we are going to find $600,000 from?
I really don't know. That's why I put this to you right now. See if you can help me out.
Chris, me not understand you. Cause for me not understand why you would have to do the most part for your father and now you're in a problem because of people. How much money you have to your name?
I think $1 right now, my bank account dry. A negative in right now.
Miller, you can't keep this up. This need to stop today.
Today. Yeah man, just So you know in your account or what? Just want to pay something upon it, cause right now 3 months overdue.
Alright, babe, this is what me I gotta do. As I know, me I pay for loan too, but me can transfer 150 to your account in the meantime until I figure it out or put it back.
That would be great, babes. Very, very great. So you can do it right now?
Yes, yes, me gonna send it now.
Alright, send it to Scotia. Because when you send it to Scotia, it'll reach right away.
Alright, well.
That's enough for love you, so you know, babes. I'm sorry if you put you through them things. I'm not gonna make it continue going forward. Alright? Just trust me.
Mila.
Yeah, good on.
Good afternoon. Where Mila there?
Who are you?
Good afternoon. Me and Mila co-worker. So when they in the round?
Know him the work. If you any work together, you should have known say him the work.
Well, actually, me never go work today, so I don't know.
Well, him not there, you know. You want tell me why you come to me now?
Well, you know, say, he did promise me to lend me some money to buy some baby clothes to my baby father send the money for me.
You don't say. Seriously? You know, so Mila live with somebody, right?
Well, of course, me know say I live with somebody. I know what you think, you know. Mila like my brother. You understand? And as I can see, I'm pregnant. He just promised me saying go lend me some money to when my baby father send the money.
You cannot be
understand?
serious. You cannot be serious because this look good to you if you pop up at somebody else's yard and tell them so the man promised the money for buy baby stuff.
Well, actually, me think so have one good tight relationship. So me think so I tell you.
Where am I go bold enough to tell me say him lend somebody money for buy baby clothes? Yeah, Mila work same place. You should have find out where Mila did before you pop up on me yard. This is not okay. You can't just show up at somebody yard.
So lady, you know if they behave so.
Alright, me gonna ask you for leave.
So well, alright then, cause I feel your place, I mean, now I feel like me I bring up violence in your place, so me I go leave. Alright. But ask Mila, tell Mila so if he call me.
This girl cannot be serious. Me need to get to Chris Miller because me would have liked to know where the girl I get the audacity from for show up on my yard. I go make me know say my man promised her money for buy baby feed. What baby feeding?
Which girl?
Which baby feeding?
I want baby feed. She still downstairs. Which girl?
No, she not still outside. What you mean? She
Where you
gone.
talk about one and baby feed or what?
The person will come knock on the door. I want girl from Chris' workplace.
You sure enough feed baby mother?
Carla, listen, just not start with the food.
You see you?
What you mean?
I'm not add fuel to the fire. It's okay.
Me need to forget to Mila. Mila, have to go explain to me why one woman that go shop at my yard. Where she get the audacity from? If you come tell me about say Mila promise her money, what money?
Them something that me that talked to you about the other day. This me did I warn you about. But you're too lenient and you're too understanding.
Well, I don't understand, you know. I don't be lenient. Because she don't have no right to shop at my yard. Mila fi know better. If you know say this not fear happen. I'm tired to tell him. Better go tell me now say him have to give her the money because she in one situation and him just a try help out. Me done.
And what you said to her downstairs? What you said to her?
Me see her a whole lot because me dey upset. Me see her a lot.
Girl, you need to call your man.
Me cannot get to him. Listen, me can't do this. Me can't bother.
Carla, I'm not know if I comfort you with this, and honestly, because this is a messy situation. It is ridiculous. It is very ridiculous. But you must know how you deal with it. Call me? Hey, no, say nothing.
Carla, me swear I have enough. Like, me can't fight this no more. Me a fight him mother, him friend, them, him brother, them, everybody, the whole family. And this not benefit me anymore. Me not see how this a benefit me. We are trying to start up on business all long and all now. And me alone.
2 years now, you know? 2 years now, not try to start out the business there, and it can't start out. And the money come as so it go. As it come as so it go. What you gonna do? You gonna stay here or not?
I am Carla. Me cannot do this anymore. You know, hear me?
So you gonna pack up your clothes and come by my house or not? That I wanna know.
Yes, definitely. But me have to talk to Miller first. Me have to have this conversation. Me can't just get up and leave. Me and I try to deal with this as mature as me can, and so we can come to an understanding. Because Carla, I'm not gonna lie to you, I love my man, I appreciate him, but this is a lot. I'm not think nobody else go through this. This is not normal.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon.
What go on?
You're here now.
What go on?
Well, sir, I come for the loan that I lent to you.
Loan?
Yes.
Oh, that. Why? Things kind of slow up in a sense, you know. So, I look at happenings and so forth and things, you know. So.
Yes, sir, but that's not even the thing.
Mm.
Is when I went to check the ATM machine, you know, and when I look, I didn't know that it was so much money actually take from the account, sir.
I not even know just how much money you were getting. I had no clue. He come like say me up on the same level. When I hear say get pay increase, I never know such substantial money they put in there. But listen, man, listen. I can give you back your money, man. It's just a little thing happen. You know these things stay. You know, no. It has to do with the bank. You know, sometimes the two bank them compete. I have to go in and go see them.
That's why I don't like the bank business, you know, sir. I don't like the bank system, so I tell them put your money on hold and them something there.
See that. At least, see, you come like you understanding what's happening, man. I have to go and visit them. Because up to now, I don't even get the money. Yeah.
So you don't get the money as yet?
No, because the two banks, I don't know what's happening. I have to go in and see them.
Okay. Then, sir, if you don't get the money as yet, you can just send it back to my account.
That's going to take a longer problem, man. Don't worry about that, man. Maybe that's a longer process. Don't worry about it. I'll get your money, man. Alright? Eh?
Sir, you know, say the odds are really against me right now because I promised my girlfriend say we gonna get the money. Me that me tell her say me lend it out because she really like me lend out money, understand?
Don't tell her.
And we're talking about bank, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Right now we owe some loan.
Oh.
I bank. You understand? Because my father passed away a long time ago. You understand?
Yeah.
And we borrow some loan and thing from the bank to pay for the funeral.
Oh.
But I still owe the bank. That's the reason why I come to you now, sir, because I know say if you don't really need it, I wouldn't come at this time. Because I know say Payday not come up as yet. You understand?
You come back a little bit early, man. You just take a little time, man, and me sort out it, man. It just ain't giving me a little issue, you know, man, just deal with it. And when I deal with it, you fine. You know what I'm doing? I'm gonna put a little thing on the gate, you know. So now yourself, when all that pan out, you put, man. You understand? No. As we say, I say nothing to no man. Not even your woman. You hear me, sir? See? As I say, it's embarrassing.
Yes, sir, I just really hope that you actually put something on it.
Already, man. Oh, God, man, you got to kill your teeth like when dog bone, man. How yourself? You understand me? I gotta make you smile. Yeah, man, how yourself?
Yes, man, that war here,
Yeah,
man. That war
man,
here.
man.
Remember when you borrow money from bank, you know, sir?
Yeah.
You have to pay interest, you know. I'm definitely looking forward for the interest.
Pull that card there. Wait.
Yes.
Wait a minute. Oh, what? Yes. Yes, sir. Oh, no. No, hold on a minute. Wait.
Okay. So when I'm gonna
Yes, sir. Yes, I'm still here. Stop. Yeah. Yeah, man. That's it.
good evening, babes. How go on? I look so. I go on for any suitcase. You go on trip. Long time to go for that trip, you know.
Mila, mother, want you explain to me where you out there promise to people, make people can pop up on me yard.
What do you mean promise? You don't understand. Promise who?
Your co-worker come here today and she can make me know say you promise selling her money for buy baby clothes. That look good?
My co-worker. Oh, You don't have to worry about that, B. Jessica, what you worry about? Remember the Bible saying, it's a blessing to give than to receive. Say more good you do, I more good come back.
Oh, this a benefit you. Which good I come back to you?
Of course.
We late pound with bills because you Miller. Where the good the way I come back to you? Where is it? Come in and see it. And me alone I pay all of the bills. Every day me ask you for money and I have it because you lend somebody money. Me not doing this anymore. And Carla been a tell me if you give you a break.
Carla.
And if me did listen to Carla, this would have happened. Girl could have pop up on me yard, you know.
Your friend Carla.
Yes, my friend Carla.
Your hypocrite friend Carla.
What that mean?
You know much time Carla come borrow money from me. And she tell you, and she pack up your foolishness. Right now feel like say Carla want you to left me so she can come to me.
Miller.
She never know that, she never tell you.
But you not tell me either. You tell me that? Y'all lend my friend money behind my back, you not tell me nothing.
But you say we are right and you left on nothing. Be transparent to you now still. Come on, say them thing jeopardize relationships, so I make you know.
Oh yeah, make me know now when it's too late. Why you never tell me this before?
It can never be too late.
When Carla reach out to you for borrow money from you?
I never remember more than one time, more than one occasions.
Miller,
and because you know say you're a friend, I have to help her out. B, just calm down.
Don't touch me, don't touch me. Do not touch me.
We don't have to do this, you know. You want some water? As a matter of fact, you hear about new Richard Bond movie? When you're bad pitney, make you watch it, man.
I'm convinced there's something wrong with you. Something is wrong with you because ain't no way I sit down right here so I try to explain something to you and your mind is somewhere else.
Alright.
Milan, me gonna leave and me gonna see if you go still lend people money and all your bills and go pay. Me gonna see how you gonna anger that. Me not sitting right to stand this today no.
Alright.
If
you see better out, they just gone. So where you go?
My son, I don't like how you look, you know. You just look so deady today, so what happened? Normally you look more lively and everything and the accent make good and what happened?
Me no know say Jessica pack up and gone left me.
How you do her so?
You know say I buy fall still because I want to tell you say I buy money me lend out for medication and thing. I lend out some money to some other people same way. And just get bankrupt. You understand? And right now, I know where she go through because she can't take it anymore because she borrow money from somebody time.
What you just say?
Yeah.
She get upset through you lend me money or through you lend everybody money. How you go?
Well, included you.
Me?
Because
where am I dying now?
No disrespect, man. No disrespect. I just tell you. You understand? She not upset because I lend her money, you know, because I lend some other people money and them thing they just get bankrupt. Right now, I'm on the verge to lose my job and all them things. Everything that's go wrong in my life right now.
Let me say something to you, my son. You're a big man, you're not a child. And if you look at me, your mother, and lend me money, and your woman go vex about you, what come to your brain?
Man, but you get too sensitive now. It's not all about me lending you the money. I tell you all the loan from the bank when I get to people when use and bear before and them something. Then I'm bridging one of my co-worker them, some money see me, I know I can't get it back. Right now, I pray for damage to some people, you know.
Oh, so I know me, she really vex with you.
Really, she get fed up because of the whole thing.
Oh, I listen when you say keenly, you know. And I understand how you feel. I know how you stress out and so because your woman where you love so much gonna leave you. But look, listen to me now. Me is your mother. You is my one son. I don't want you to get into no trouble. You are my son. Even though you're adult, you are my one baby. I love you so much. I'm sorry for where I go through. But me talk to her for you. Anyway, you is not a bank. You a bank? Why you a walk round and the lend. Tom, Dick, Harry, Julia, Juliet, Junie, all kind of smarty money like your bank. See them now? Your woman gone left you because it look like you lend out every red cent you have and have none figure sheet. Me see stress from you come here.
Stress, depressed.
Me know, me understand.
Right, I'm going to lose mine right now.
Nobody lose me have something to tell you. Please, me they beg you.
We have important to tell me.
Wait. It's not so important, you know, because me not think you go like what me I go say, but me have one confession to make. Before me even say it, me I go they ask if you forgive me first. Please, me I beg you. Use me only son. And me never want to do it, but me force myself and do it through circumstances. Circumstances make your mother do what she never want to do. You understand?
Understand.
Anyway, you see a step.
Step.
Yes, you see that stepfather that we have. Me love him. But, you see, when they go on, they look like me have to go left him. A whole heap of time, him force me to call you and tell you a lie. Say me sick. I'm on medication, so you have to carry money come give me. And him make me take the money from you. The money where you carry come give me for buy medication. Not do me no sick. Me take it and give him.
Really? Right now I feel like you call a mommy right now, you know. You have my best interest at heart. Your flesh and blood. You carry the belly for 9 months for me.
Just forgive me, please.
You know something? Forgive.
I never mean.
Find time to forgive you right now, even though I'm a forgiving person, a big heart with me.
My son, just forgive your mother. Me tell us, me never mean. Me no mean to do it, and me no wishfully doing it. And him a force me to do it all the while. This man want money before he go look work though. Me never have to tell you, know. So you can forgive me with the part where me never have to tell you.
You know, so your mother me never want to tell you from day one.
So what?
You see, when I see that man, I don't like him none at all.
I lie.
And the day I see him, I like him.
You should have tell me come out and bother there with him.
Take him none at all, man.
Jesus.
You know, so don't blame Jessica. Don't blame her for sure, you know. Because you is actually a part of the problem in the movie. You respond to your man right now.
Me know I accept this and I'm wrong. I'm sorry. But right. Do not bother call me name to Jessica because she a go want that story again.
Kayate. Oh, you're not moving right now. This voice has hurt me right now. Can't do this right now. I'm going to lie. Can't do this.
I'm sorry.
Girl, look how long me I call you. You're not sure up and you not answer the calls. What?
Carla.
Yeah?
It's a based on how you always go and me always know someone off with the behavior. But like I couldn't place my finger upon him. Now tell me why you have me as a friend and you're in one situation but you choose to reach out to my man for help.
Your man?
Why you borrow money from Chris but you don't see? You don't find the need for tell me that. But whenever me vent you don't tell you all kind of things, you bash everybody else and you don't find the time for tell me say, hey, Jessica, you know me in one situation, I'm reaching out to Mila. Why you do that?
Yes. It was a one time. As a matter of fact, it wasn't even like that. Here what one. I went to pay my light bill, and at the time, I couldn't draw no money because the machine never have enough. Cool. I step out at the business place. At him that I see. So me I say shit. Might as well I can borrow it from him. So I borrow it from him and I give back the same time. I send it to his account the same very time I reach home. So it's not like say me I come to your man and I borrow money. Yes, it wrong, but it was a one time.
Everything you said to me, Carla, I got through me 1 year and I come out to the other. Like you not make no sense. Because me still can't understand how you do this and you never yet say to me, me feel like you backstab me. Me feel some type of way about it.
Because that was so long ago before you even complained to me about him.
You constantly make excuses, but you're wrong. It no matter how long ago was it,
I
you're
just
wrong.
said I was wrong.
But it no matter. It don't matter what you have to say right now.
I think you're blowing this way out of proportion. I understand.
Wow.
I was out of line and I said I'm sorry.
Oh, you're sorry now that I know?
Yeah, I'm sorry now that you know, but overall I'm sorry.
So all the other times when I come to you and I explain to you and I vent to you, it never you come to you if you tell me. You understand say it hurt because it come from somebody else and not you?
No, I understand.
Okay.
And then in the time frame while you were complaining about, you know, the financial issue and whatnot, it's co-workers, I just never even say it being necessary at the time because of course I know you're gonna go off. So I just kind of feel a little way and I'm gonna
you're gonna go off. Well,
yeah,
Carla, I think you're fake. I'm like, me need a break from this.
So that you consider me as fake?
Yes.
For feeling a way? I felt a way. That's what I could have told you at the time frame. You were depressed and stressed out about the situation that you guys were going through. So I could have just, but you know, somebody borrow money from him to.
No, because you should have borrowed money from him in the first place. You should have come to me and me first. You should have come to what? How you just come to you for run to Mila? That don't make sense.
I'm sorry. I'm wrong. I'm wrong. And I hope you can find it in your heart to forgive me. And I understand that you want to take your space. I'm not going to stop you.
I can't do this. Me need a break from everybody. Me need a break from you. Me need a break from Miller. Me need a break from Miller, broke friend and him family. Me cannot. Me expect better from you. I'm genuinely hurt about this, Carla. I mean, I think I can ever understand because you don't get it.
I understand. Literally, I understand because if it was me, I would be upset too with you.
Then why you
That's
do that
why
to
you
me?
not see me a bicker with you and be defensive. Because why would I? I am wrong for going to your partner. But I must say, it's true. I see him at the time when I come out of the machine. That's the only reason.
It's
Yes. Girl, come on.
Yo, moms. If I talk to your son, you know, I just pass the boy down the road and the boy show me bad face, you know. Like you don't know, say me and him mother there. So I have to talk to him, man. For yourself. I cook.
You left off for my son and come and ask about food. You give me money before you leave? You're working?
Oh, stop going, someone.
Every time you go and make sure you say you cook. When I come back, you cook. Did you leave anything here to eat? No. You never give me no money, and me I fear give you money all the while. You make me tell me son much lie. But yeah, open up your hand.
So why should that be a problem? All the while you don't me that take care of me for all the time. Why problem now?
A big problem. Right now, I'm sorry I did do it. Because I'm a son that I'm not supposed to put no man in front of my son. My son come first. Because if when me did in a child's birth in a labor room, and my son did make me unalive, you wouldn't come get me.
So
I know, you see you.
What all of this for now?
What you
Tell
mean?
me what all of this for now.
Right now, you make my son vex with me and gone. And they look for me. We birth him and tell me, say, right now, mommy, me no feel like to call your mommy. Right now, me no feel like to call your mommy.
How come me make your son vex to you?
Because you tell me life, you tell him. All of them lie there when me tell him, and you me get them lie there from.
You go like say me force you, and me put gun in your head and tell us say, tell your son lie.
You know what, you're right. You don't put no gun on my neck and you never force me to do it, but through me damn stupid me do it. Because me they say me in love like a jackass before me make you go look what though. And this will reach me. So I will not blame you, I will blame my son, but you go have to come out of my place. So that me I tell you. You go have to left and right now and go.
Yeah, me make you know something, man. You know how much gal out the road want me, man?
I lie.
What you mean?
So the amount of girl them want to out the road, why you never get money from them and make me and my son stay in a peace until God bless me with a man we have sense.
Me I could do, man.
And we want work. You lazy. You don't want to do nothing at all. All you do is, baby, you know, no money can't give me. And me's a idiot, they follow you, jackass. But they call me son and tell me son like, oh, me sick, I call down sick by myself. They say, me stupid, you know. Me not have no sense and me have to accept that. Say me wrong from the beginning. So right now, my son I go through a problem with him and his woman, and that I come from me through you.
Me have a whole lot of drink, when you calm down, you calm down. Joke together.
I don't never call you back and dash out your clothes them. You're damn worthless now. I don't know who are you, man. I don't know who me when sip on you when me come pick you up. No wonder why you stress out me son. You know, like you from the beginning.
Yo, what are you doing?
Oh, what go on?
Bro, a long time I don't see you, dog.
Long time.
We're from school days, dog. What go on,
man?
Say something, sir.
Boy, I'm glad to see you upgrade and thing, man. Things are going for you.
Yeah, man, everything active, man, but... So your son, though, brother? Like something
they
wrong
are
with
going normal, though.
No, man, watch man talk to him, man, because you know, say, everything different from school days, bro.
So for true, man. You know, say, bro, I tell you, say, I be a thing I reach from what, you wonder. Because, like, me have to ask God, say, when really I put me through, what me I go through. You see me? A long time I suffer in a broski. Try to make it out, I go tell me, I work from what day. And you can like tell me, get a piece of money in my hand, me have to lend it out. You see me? All kind of things, bros, right now, I'm bored on the road. Give me a piece of money from when. Every time I go link him, man. I tell him about be a cock and bull story, be a disc and babble it. You see me, I say, bro, not even know if you explain it. You see it?
That really a go on, dog?
Yeah, man. So
you are going. Let me ask you a question first. How much money say boy owe you?
You know, say a 50 grand millennium know if you do some business and something. Yeah, man, to be a go link him and a 2,000 man give me.
2 grand.
2 grand.
Alright, you are going. Can you tell man? I'm coming in a car. Go pay the boy right now. You know how find me though?
Yeah, man.
You don't know if me think gonna be go pay the boy now.
Alright.
I'm friend to eat that brother.
Yo, bossy. You know, so you go now move right to my place, stay one fan win. I want to make you move easy so you can get some easy chop, you know. So when you burn more on a piece of paper, sometimes I say do something, you can go right away. Is it pretty bossy?
Listen, I tell you now.
Yeah.
So
what you say?
purification.
Yeah.
Purification.
Alright, bossy.
Purification. You know, it's when you get the client here and knock him, you can't wait for 5 days.
Yeah.
You understand? Don't change your clothes. You understand?
Yeah,
Just go straight through. Because if you stop, you're going to cut it. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
you have to make sure, yeah. And next time you win, you make sure you come pay for that ring. And I want a 1 million. 1 million.
Yeah, man.
You understand me? I say?
Sorry, Jamaican.
I ramp me. 1 million Jamaican dollars, I sell it for because I know so you don't have a million yet. So when you chop the client, you take a time on your bill and you get that next ringer. You understand me? I say?
Yeah, I understand what you say, man.
So go on do your thing. I like you again.
So boss say me can't have 6 or nothing?
No, man. You can do anything you want, but just don't beat.
Yeah.
But that the girl have to know say a dirty bars at work. You understand me? I say?
Yeah.
Spin the road. Spin the road, boy.
Yeah, man, boss. Clearance, man.
Gosso.
Deliverance, I know.
Gosso.
Yeah.
Gosso. Fire.
Yeah,
Gosso. Don't turn back. Don't look back. Go on, sir. Mr. Go on, sir. Don't turn back.
Yeah, man, I go on no bossy.
Yeah, I was telling you, say when you fall, you have to call me.
Oh, sorry about that, bossy, man. I just try one look at emergency, you see me? As it pertains to my son, my stepson, I tell you, say, in a top working, man. The boy in a top laying out his money.
Tell him, I say, go, man. I work working. You think I play? Me I play?
Yeah, man, but you know what? I have a bigger problem now. Reason why I can't check you.
Pause. You see, last time, I know you feel like you can't hold me again.
No, man, I don't hold you this time, man. This time,
you see, if you never call me at 5 o'clock, you hear them and turn right round your head, you know.
Yeah, man, I know,
man. You see me, I guess I know, I work certain way. And the reason I do is to make money. Talk to me now. What you say?
Yeah, man, so as I say, the boy and mother left me. So maybe I preach the boy and I want you to deal with that little thing, make me get him back.
Well, you see, funny part about the part, I don't really work on relationship, because you know, it's either you have use or, you know, I just say, because spirit then I don't control of the part.
Alright.
You ready about free will?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Alright, since you can't work for me get her back, what I want you to do for me? I want you to mash up a boy life, that time my son life.
Want to lose him work?
Yes.
So why you just go find an ex-woman?
Eh?
Why you just go find an ex-woman? That can't work too.
Why hard to find out woman we are mind, you know, because his mother used to mind me, you know.
Oh, used to mind you?
Yeah.
Oh, well, in another circumstance. But you know me, I say still. I can't make certain things go on, man, but you know what the payment have to go on this time.
Alright, yeah, man, I got transfer it, yeah, Scotia.
Me hit Scotia, you know. Last time one client sent me some money to Scotia in Christmas, I say Christmas. So I use Scotia, NCB. You have NCB?
Yeah, man, I have NCB too, man. Alright, so, yeah, man. Alright, so text me the info upon WhatsApp.
You see my phone for me? I'm working right now, man, because if you say a joke business.
Alright, info that?
Yeah, man, I put in your notes. So you can't forget it.
Alright, yeah, man, I'm going to send it right now. So, so as I say now, I want the boy to lose his work.
You are good. This is because you're a good youth. Because I can guarantee you come every 6 months. I work or something for you, man. You want to get her back, you get her back.
For real, boss?
Yeah, you get her back. But as I say, you're going to need this. Just don't put it on, just keep it.
Okay.
You understand what I say?
Okay.
Don't put it on. You put it on a problem.
Okay, I'm
you understand everything for you got money.
Yeah,
so
man.
I said, don't put it on. Long and short, you're going to send 100 more thousand.
Alright, my boss. Yeah,
you
man.
understand what I say?
Yeah,
you
man.
got deal, man. You got deal. So
alright. Thank you, boss. Alright.
See?
So everything good now then?
Yeah, man. But
Alright,
remember now, you know, don't put it on.
Alright, yeah, man. Thank you. Alright, my boss.
If you put it on, nothing not going to work.
Yeah, man.
So what is?
You must go back to Wagon.
So you do?
Yo, you must know. Yo, come on, son.
Yo, I'm not afraid of no.
I ain't being afraid of no. Yo, come on, son. Yo, you must know.
What you son?
Yo, where man money there?
Yo, I'm not done talk to you about the money. What kind of style thing?
Me a talk to you. Where man money there?
But I done talk to this man already.
Talk.
You must know, man.
No more chatting. I money want you.
But tell the man so tomorrow so I don't understand this.
Yo, and me a talk to you about man.
I don't answer your father.
Where the man money there?
I said tomorrow, father.
I don't want you about not tomorrow, bad man. We have another bag. Give me this.
There's always tomorrow. Which date? Tomorrow always the ahead. Today is a tomorrow. From yesterday.
I'm float this man for another. So you tell me, you tell me say you don't have the money.
Money in there. Me see it.
Yo, hold on, you tell me say you don't have the money, boy.
I'm sorry, Dad.
Yo, no way, the air.
Don't talk. Just slow him out, bad dog.
Yo, hear me I say.
Yeah, I'm believe.
Lift up.
Wait. How you reach in here, sir? Eh? And nobody tell me that nobody is gonna be in here waiting on me. Eh?
Bossy, listen me now. It's been a while. I'm Payday gone. I'm looking at my account and I don't see money you're supposed to reimburse me, you know. Bossy, right now, if you make me get stuck, if you make me get stuck, I'm nothing good, you know.
Listen. You're talking. Hold on.
Me no have ear no
Wait.
Me no want
Wait.
Listen, boss. Me
No.
no have ear no more.
Wait.
Faster than comfort business. You understand? Right now, I feel like I chop me in the boss, man.
Listen to me. You come in on my
Listen to
office
you.
and you there point your finger in my face. You come like you forget your space and place. Eh? Who you talking to like that?
Listen, boss, the money me come about, you know.
But hold on,
You
man.
need to defend yourself, not this. You need to defend yourself and money. One thing money I'm supposed to get.
Listen to me.
Right now, woman left me, you know.
You woman left you?
I
don't think it's money. It must be some other reason why your woman left you. It have to be some other reason.
Boss man, I tell you, say, owe the bank and all these things. When you come to the problem, the boss man. I know me supposed to lend you money, you know.
Look.
Understand?
You take this thing too far. Me too easy with you. Listen to me, man.
Listen.
You know what? As a matter of fact, you know, I don't like your tone. I don't like how you come in here and stuff. Money, a little piece of money, there is nothing. Pay if you come in here.
Give me money, boss man.
Just relax.
Come like
you know what?
Said them we are, you know.
Listen to me.
Boss man, I can't hold back my emotions right now, you know.
Yeah, if you don't hold on your tone, boss man, you can't.
Me or something, me need to get
me glad you said that. You said that. Anyway.
But you can't fire me, boss. You can't fire me. Because I'm a supervisor.
You see the chair I'm in and the office where you're in?
No,
I'm your boss. All right.
You leave, you are my supervisor. You can't
Wanta.
use the authority.
Watch me, yo.
You don't have the right to do that.
Wanta, watch me, yo. Straight dismissal. I'm going to send a letter right now to HR to get you out of here. You're bright and out of order. Who you think you're talking to? Eh? But you know, get out of my chair too. Where you out of order? Come out my office. Go pack up your things and leave. Go on. You're threatening me. You know remember that? I'm going to put it in the letter and I'm going to give him that you're threatening me. Who you think I'm going to believe? You? Eh?
Where's the camera? Where's the record?
You don't worry about that. This place is safe. Come out of my office.
I did not.
Come out of my office and take up your things and go on. Go on. Go about your business. So point your finger, boss, man.
Let me evacuate.
Go on. Yes, evacuate. Go along, man. Out of order. Why little chum change you come go on. So go on with your business. Straight to HR, me and send this.
You're going to get it.
It's alright. Don't worry yourself. I come in and come point my finger on my face. Right.
How are you doing here?
Well, I'm babes.
Who you call babes? Don't call me no babes. Who dare you to call me babes? Where you get me key from and come in here, so?
Stop going like you don't know, so I know which part to hide the key.
So you know which part the key there. You think you have right to come in here, so? No come back here again. No make me come back here and see. You know what? A matter of fact, if you come, you're not going to see key there, so. Me not put back my key there, so. Me not want you in here, so.
Me, what make you go on to me have a little disagreement and you still vex?
And you look on you as nothing, say, you just make it look like a nothing at all. I just want like a disagreement. You don't know if you apologize or nothing at all, you just come go on like, listen, you see you are the cause to me and my son in a problem right now. Me and my son never used to in no argument. The amount of lie where you tell me if you tell me son or me sick and borrow my son money. When I not borrow it, me beg him. tell him how me want if you buy medication when I me take it again, take it go give your girl them out the road. What you have to say about that?
Me never force you to take the money for your son.
You say you go on, you say you act childish. True, so true, you don't put no gun on my neck or no knife or no machete. You're too wicked before you go look what though. Dirty man, you know what to? Me have you up. If you never know me, have you up to yes sir.
What me do make you have me up now?
You is a dirty obeah worker.
What?
Listen to me. Me dream about you. Say you walk up upon me and my son are you. Are the cars I hit for my son. I just a walk and I give money and they lend money and can't get it back.
So your dreams say Ray, that don't mean say go so you never see me.
You is the cause I hit. Me not see you but me know say you me dream. My dream them ever straight they no lean. Anything me dream and so you go. And me dream say the hobby of my son. You.
What happened?
You make my son and the woman left. You make my son and me in a big argument. So my son talk to me and disrespect me.
Cause I know say I dream, nothing go so. Wait, so what happened?
What you mean say what happened? Me need you to come out of my place and not come back here. We not there no more. We left.
Alright, well if you have to come out of your place and me just left it, everything good.
That you fi do. Come out and not come back.
Thing good.
Make sure say you not come back here so.
Well, every time you say that you look sis, bro.
Well, you know, some lose more cute.
Lose your work?
Yeah.
How you lose out, dog?
Until you, bro, not even know. It can like, you know, say boss boy.
Wait, boss boy?
Man abusing authority. Not even boss, supervisor.
No,
man fire me, or blackmail me, can lend man money, you know.
Lend what?
Lend man a piece of money, because I go choose some money for hardship and thing, and I say, boss, man, I know, you know. Yes, me.
No, hold on. Lend your boss money?
We just tell us, broski.
Bro, that's how everybody are going to lend money, dog?
Not really. Some borrow, some lend. I understand how I go on. But you know, say, they say do good unto others as, you know, as they don't want to do unto you. So you would want lend to see him if you not go to hardship.
Dog, so here we going, bro. You want to go page about it, brother?
Nah, man, I don't want you to go page him, man. Yes, man, slow him to time. You see?
Dog, you must say, bro. You must say, dog. Just like I tell you last time, bad man. I know for me to think of high school days, brother. So here we going, dog. I'm going to page about it. I'm going to page him, brother.
Oh, you know, you want to go page him because I can't buy the problem, bro.
The man, boy, you know, brother. So I saw you go make your money go slide, bro.
Bro, not even know right now, you know.
So what you want to do?
Bro, no worry about that, man. Everything good still, you know.
Dog. Rate in the dog.
I just find a different talk, you know.
Rate still on that, but you want me to say to you, bro.
Yeah.
More listen, I say to you good. For me and power, dog. Zin? For your power, my dog, you have to have money in your clothes. You see me? You don't have to look no work. Carry on your street, dog, run some much to me and done me thing, dog. Money reach in your pocket, dog. When you have power, my dog, you have to move more tough on this youth.
True, man.
You see me, I say?
True, man.
And when you work with me, no bad man, when you all lend nobody your money, youth. Because I must set them, brother, I must set them status for youth.
I'm not too believe that still, you know.
Well, I better believe. Believe kill and believe cure. You hear me, I say?
The thing you say still.
Yeah, man, but don't worry yourself, man. Yeah, I'm done, you know, man.
So, for true, man.
So, I'm connect you, dog, you see me?
Alright.
Yeah, man.
May I evacuate still, you see me?
Don't say 40, but can't believe it, dog.
Good afternoon, mommy.
Good afternoon.
Boy, I wonder how I want to know. I know every time you call me urgent, you know. Tell me what take place, you know.
First thing me have to say to you, I'm sorry about everything what happened between me and you.
You don't have to worry about that, man.
Me are the faulty one. As big and whole as me is, me have to take the blame when me wrong. And you is my son.
True.
So guess what? Me know already say me did already apologize a million times. Me know say me and your mother, but me they ask if you forgive me again one more time. Just forgive me, please, because you see what go down? Just let me tell you what in my mind, because it depends on my mind at night time. I can't sleep. You see what go down? All of them problems we go through, all of we go through in a real life because of me. Because I'm stupid. Me listen to your idiot, your fool, stepfather. Everything we I go through, I through him. But me follow him and cause you feel night, so me night too. But me will take all I blame. Me just ask if you forgive me, please.
No,
Let me tell you something.
I don't understand what you say. Just get straight to the point. I really understand what you say. Because I already forgive you, you know.
All of them
And
money
me
there.
tell her sorry. Feel me treat you what you.
Me
But you
understand.
you understand when you
But-
want to get
but-
out by that way there.
The Bible say, don't provoke the children them to wrath. And me think me provoke you, because you never disrespect me like that yet. That was your
Yes.
first time. Me forgive you, you know. I get a dream. Serious dream and not normal, you know.
Dream again.
Your stepfather was a snake on the grass, you know. Him is very evil and devious and full of envy and covetous and lying and wicked, you know. At 2 times pan straight, me dream that. Me dream in a, you know, before day, you know, and go back to sleep. And when me go back to sleep, me dream me see him something again in that. That's why me believe. Your stepfather is a obeah man. Everything we when they go through, a him Kasi, a him do it. A him make you give away every money we have just a lend. And as me did tell you before, him used to tell me say if you borrow money from you or beg your money, fi give him for him go solve for him problem and he no want look no work.
Alright.
And when me fi tell you say me sick.
Alright, mommy. Me know say, you know say me not really like it, you understand? But dream, make you see all them things there.
Yeah. Hey, nobody farm fool of my dream, you know. Don't farm fool of not even yourself. You see, when you come out to see me dream, look how much time me used to tell about me dream then when I did younger. And you see them come true. You see that curse they went put on you, that spell, that yoke they have to break in the name of Jesus. Me and you are going to go to church. We are going to go one pastor, good pastor we me know.
Yeah.
Yes. We are going to make a pastor pray for we.
Go and go, you know? Because you say if you do it, I go and do it because I believe in your vision. Because when you remind me and say about the child thing, everything come back to me. I understand.
Okay.
And if him really so wicked, God will deal with him.
Long time, man, so far. What about the old damn work here?
Yo,
Hold on, I go. Yo!
are you Mr. Wasso? Yo, me talk to you, man.
But you said me shut my mouth, boss man.
You know me, la?
You me know me that what happen? Boss man, what you do?
Yo, you hear me say, man?
What?
You hear me say? I'm a Miller friend. I'm on them say borrow money from him and make him lose in work. So here I go on. I make him man get back in work. You hear me tell you? Yo,
What that boss man? Wait, where you want? Money you want, where you want?
you hear me say? I'm responsible for no money, man. You hear me say? Miller get back in work. I have 31 hours. You hear me tell you? If you man back in money, you hear me tell you?
Boss man, you know so
Yo.
easy if you get back to work, I know so.
You know, you hear me say? You know, matter to me. Make sure man start work Monday morning, bright and early. You hear me tell you? You hear me say?
Alright, boss.
We're good at sir.
Good man.
You sure?
We're good.
And don't let me come back to you here.
We're good man, we're good.
Remember me I tell you.
You go on now.
Yeah, but even when you ask me about man.
Yeah,
What do me not see you, brother?
You don't say, upon the church, I go from one day still, you know?
So when you start going to church, dog?
Boy, it's a long story, you know. I want to tell
Cut
you.
it short, man.
Yeah, man, definitely. But as we said before, remember you did tell me, say, you know, like the certain things really happen to me. I understand, like how I remember sitting. But if I know, say, my stepfather really did work witchcraft for me and thing. You understand?
Somebody ain't tell about man.
Yeah.
But you tell her, you know.
That's true, man. True.
You look like you don't even believe in me, bro.
Believe now still, you understand, because I go to church and the pastor pray for me and thing. You know? And I say, in order for things just go right, I have to give my life to God and baptize. So I definitely did that. You understand?
What you say do?
And it's a very good thing.
Yo, what you say do?
Did you not hear? You say me have to give my life to God and baptize. You understand?
Someone
You
serious.
need to do it too.
Do what?
Yes, man.
Do
You
what?
can't afford a church.
You
You
are
know,
full
force
man.
still in the broski.
You are full man, man.
What you mean? Remember all the things me that go through, I tell you, you know, you know. It's me, I give back my job. You got my work, I thank God to get back my work.
So me ask you a question.
I
now.
understand.
Hold on, me ask you a question. So what you say? God make you get back your work?
Of course.
And you are mad man.
What you mean,
If
mad?
you pray say God make you get to work, you have to call me God then. Cause me a God.
Bro,
And me. Oh, listen to me, man.
do not blaspheme. You cannot call yourself God.
You listen to me, I listen to
What
me,
you
I
say?
Me say, and me make you get back your work. And me go pay your body.
That's how
You
God
me tell
work. That's how God work. You understand? God work through people. God work through you if you get my work. So I really appreciate that. I'm respect you for that. See you,
Everything
you
good,
understand?
man. Everything good, man.
But you need to come to church.
Me don't need you to tell me that, man.
I say, my bro, a long time, I look out for you, you know.
Brother, I like the lifestyle I live out the road right now. Cause crazy one of me I make. You see me? And from when me tell you to come on foot dog, I know you continue to turn Christian.
I understand, say, you really like a lifestyle, you know. But if you look around and pay attention, it's what the lifestyle you cost. Destruction.
Breaks.
You understand?
Breaks. You see destruction for me?
It's okay, bro. I never really say destruction depend on everything, but as I say, as a brother, when you do the right thing, I look out for you, see me. But again, we can't really, you know, so make a change in my life. I have to just focus on God right now. Focus on my family. You understand?
So you try to tell me, son, you're not come around with me come make some fast money.
I cannot do that anymore.
Yo, you listen to yourself, dog?
Of course. Definitely.
Thing good, man. Let's go on the other, man. You see me? Just
But-
remember, say, you know, anytime you lend anybody money again, dog, and then I pay you back, you know. They won't even link me, you know, bro. They won't even call for me, you know, bro. Call upon God, you hear me tell you?
Yes.
I want you to listen to me good, too. Me a good seeing you, nothing change. But me no good neither.
That's very good because I cannot hold any malice with you. You understand, bud? God bless you still.
Do you think, man?
I'm still praying for you.
Do you think, man?
Alright.
God give everything what you want.
So Jess, we're glad to see you, you know. We're glad to see me.
But if you know, say, alright.
Yeah. Even though come to realization so we're not really there together again, I understand, but nah, I don't come now away. Can be friends, see me. Come here, have something to tell you. Because you see, the reason why we actually break up. Me understand say I'm a stepfather the obeah me. You understand? I'm not tell you say it like say something really wrong with me. Reason I have a little money with me and him sitting there.
I can't believe you say that I got through all of that. I mean,
Yeah.
we didn't know there's something wrong, but not that.
Man, but a reality, things happen, you understand, because people really wicked, you know. You understand, but hope you can find so many hard to forgive me. Because I just want to apologize to you. So you know, listen to you when time you talk to me. Even when you get loud. Listen to you when you get loud, you know, because I know so you're not really upset, you know. You know, so you hurt about certain things. See where things are go and you come like say me on a purpose and him something, you understand? That's a workless man style. But it's not my fault. Listen to me.
Well, Mila, honestly, I'm ready to forgive him. I've been forgiven. I'm actually
I'm happy for that.
Me that hope see you pull through. I'm happy to see you pull through. You know, so like we heal or whatever, maybe we could get this back and shot because I miss you.
Of course.
I'll
Listen to her.
Payday. Every money touch me on, it already have a plan. you know. Yeah, yeah, payday. I saw me borrow, I saw me lend. Mama, I stress even my friends. My girlfriend knocks me when my kindness I end. Everybody take my kindness to weakness. Pity I saw borrow, I saw me lend. Mama, I stress even my friends. My girlfriend knocks me when my kindness I end. Everybody take my kindness for weakness. Pity reach, but me can't smile. Bills line up, straight to the sky. Phone a ring, me all I get text. Everyone problem have problem. You know who next? Pity I saw borrow, I saw me lend. Mama, I stress even my friends. My girlfriend knocks me when my kindness I end. Everybody take my kindness for weakness. Me heart heavy but my pocket empty. Every yes is another excuse. My try for help, I'ma still lose. My friends say Bridget link me no girl.
At Richard Brown's Films, we offer more than just movies. We offer professional photo and video services. In case your family members or friends are unable to attend your event, we can live stream it just for you. So if you're in need of a professional photo and video services, look no further. Call the number on the screen. Guess what? You can get to meet some of your favorite actors and actresses at your event. If you never knew, now you know. Pick up the phone and call us today to book your special event.
Oh, so now you have come to the end of the video. Thank you so very much for watching. Alright, and I want... No, I remember what I was saying. That I think. Alright. Okay, so now you have watched the video to the end. Thank you so very much for watching. So what I want you guys to do right now, since you're still on YouTube, go over to the YouTube please and subscribe to True Believer Miller. That is my channel. I'm just starting that channel. I have about 30 something subscriber. We're going 10,000 target. Understand? And check True Believer Miller on every other else platform. Really appreciate it.